Hey guys, what is up? Jason Orban coming at you from GHL Smart Scripts. I'm really excited to share a few things that we got going on today. Namely, we put together something called GHL Smart Power Tools. You know, I just like power tools, I like building stuff, and we like adding stuff into high level to make things better. So we kind of have taken a bunch of our stuff and put it into a bundle, and I want to show you what that looks like right now. So funny thing is I'm creating the video to go on the Smart Power Tools page right here, which you're watching right now, but this might be in the group or something like that. But it's kind of meta. I'm making the video for the sales video, which is the video. So here we go. So I'm going to go over to our Smart Reviews dashboard. This is what I want to show you guys. This is some of the new stuff that we have going on. And what we put together, you can see over here, the Smart Scripts Power Tool Bundle. And that is going to take a bunch of the really cool stuff that we've already built, and we're smashing that all into one big bundle that you guys can get access to. And then from there, we're also just continuing to add more things as we go along. So every time we talk to someone, we build something cool. It's like, hey, let's take that and throw that inside of the Smart Scripts dashboard, right? Let's add that to the Power Tools bundle. So right now we have quite a few different things in here. If we click on tools, we've got this really cool QR code generator that you can use and embed into your funnels and sites. We've got a scripts that we're starting to add in here. We've got a display name from a URL funnel. So if you have anybody that's going from a thank you page, you can say, hey, thank you, and put their name in there. We've got this FOMO style review pop-up now that you can use for reviews. Even if you don't have smart reviews right now, you can use this to grab any of your reviews from your high level location and have those displayed not just in a high level funnel, but you can put that on any website, WordPress, anything like that. You can embed, as long as you can embed some code in there, you can add that in there for your customers. And then we also have toggle section right now, which is toggle section with a button. So these are just a few things that we've added over the last couple of days. This is just an example of being able to toggle basically accordion style buttons on your funnel pages. So that's just an example of what that looks like. We've got some snapshots that we're putting in here. Right now we have a Linktree template. We have a few more things in there. The Smart Reviews one is going to go in there so it's easy to access and grab. We have a few more really simple to use snapshots, funnel templates, and stuff like that are going to go in there. Under Smart Apps, these are our biggest things that we've built so far, which is our Smart Reviews and referral system. I'm going to scroll over to here. Just kind of give you an example of what the Smart Reviews system does. So it does reviews and referrals, giving you this really cool dashboard, front end 5-star. They can select if you can do 3 or star less. You can do review gating. It's a bunch of different options there. You can do review gating, no review gating, partial review gating. We've got a timed review gating script in there, which is really cool as well. And this is going to give you reviews and referrals. So they go through the review side, and then it takes them over to the referral side. So what we're actually doing is separating more reviews and referrals and giving you the option between which one you want to use. Now, if you're a lifetime member of Smart Reviews, you're still going to have access to both and all the updates. It's just going to be a little bit easier to use. Okay, so I'm going to fly through this quick because I don't want to spend a lot of time and waste your guys' time, because I know everybody's time is precious. We have our Smart Bulk Upload. So the Smart Bulk Upload is really cool because this is great for database reactivation customers who you want to give them a really easy to use front end that they can upload customer lists to, and then you want to be able to segment those customers, tag those customers, or perform any kind of automated workflows on that list that they upload without sending them into high level and then trying to get them to go into contacts, import contacts, map all their fields, and then tag those customers with different things. It's a lot of different steps. You could have 90% of that automated. It'll even send you an email every time they upload a list, so you can go and check on it and perform any automations or actions that you need to do. Let me see if I can find a example of it. So right here is our GHL Smart Scripts bulk upload contact upload. You can select a CSV file. Let me grab that really quick. I'm going to show you here. Not going to go through the whole thing, but you can click upload. You can map all your first name, last name, email, birth date. There's a bunch of different fields, but you can also create collections of any custom fields that you want uploaded or updated and update those through there as well. So let's say, for example, you have a bunch of custom fields which aren't the normal import contact fields inside of High Level. You can now have that person click here and update those custom fields from right there. Click import, and those people are going to go all into the location you have this set up for. So that's pretty cool. Really excited about that. You can create the custom fields collection up here. You can see how that works. We've got some videos on that, which is really awesome. We have our really cool subdomain manager here too. The subdomain manager is awesome because it allows you to create subdomains for customers when you onboard them. It also will set up the mailgun accounts with the DMARC, DKIM, and everything like that added to the DNS entries, so you don't have to go and do that every time you set up an account. So if you set this up through onboarding, basically it's done for you. You don't really have to do anything other than copy that URL into their domain names. But if you want to even just set it up here, here's an example. You can go and select the short URL you want. You can select which type of URL you're going to create, and then you can even do a search to see if this is going to do, if that domain name is available. It'll do that on the front end as well. It'll search to see if the subdomain is available, so you don't have duplicate subdomains causing errors in there either. And then this is also just going to create your DMARC and set up your entire mailgun system for you too, so that you don't have to do that. You don't have to worry about it. And it all gets done on the fly. Now I'm talking really fast, and then we have our custom values updater here, which is really cool. So this looks intimidating here, but basically what we're doing is we're creating collections where we're mapping custom values to custom fields, and then we're assigning that to different locations. So what you end up getting here is something like this, where you get a form and the person just updates the form, and once they click submit, it's going to go and update the custom values for that location. Now, I was just talking with someone about creating, they have multiple sections inside their custom values that they don't need updated all the time. But for example, they have different classes with different dates and times and everything like that are going to go onto a funnel page, but also into workflows, texts that get messaged out, emails that get messaged out, everything like that. And once we update this form, what's going to happen is it's going to update the website. It's going to update the workflows. It's going to update the SMS. It's going to update the emails. So they don't have to do that every single time, right? So, or have them go into custom values and be editing those little things by clicking the little pencil and going around there. People get confused by code and they have to type the right things in there. Now we can have it set. They have the right things. They know exactly what they need to do. So you get access to all this stuff through the back end of our GHL Smart Scripts dashboard. You can jump in there. We're adding more webhooks that do fun little things all the time. This one here, just this webhook here, just adds locations to our system from any kind of webhook inside of High Level. And then we're adding more training and resources as we go. So this is brand new. Right now, we're launching a founders membership to this. You can get it for a really great deal. You can get everything with smart reviews and everything without smart reviews. It's up to you. There's a bunch of different options on this page. I'm going to be dropping this in there, and I'm also going to be dropping the link to the URL to the funnel page and everything inside of our High Level group, so that you guys can check it out. And feel free to ask any questions, send me messages, do all that fun stuff, because I am here to serve you guys and create some really cool stuff that helps you automate and extend High Level. All right, we're going to talk to you guys soon. If you have any questions, please post them below or please message me and I'll be around. All right, thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye.